A female PG&E employee stands in a residential kitchen and speaks to camera. The camera pans across a neat stack of emergency supplies, food, and water. The employee speaks to camera again. A father watches as his daughter smiles as she fills up a large jug of water in their kitchen sink. Below, the caption reads, 1. Make sure you have enough water for all family members. A close-up shows water in the jug. An older brother picks up the jug full of water and carries it away. The father lifts 2 cases of canned food from the back of their car and hands it to his young son. Below, a caption reads, 2. Make sure you have non-perishable food. A reverse shot shows the son and daughter carrying food into their garage while their mother holds open the door. An older sister and younger brother sit at a table, putting fresh batteries into a flashlight. Below, a caption reads, 3. Have a flashlight and radio. The employee speaks to camera again. The mother opens and inspects the contents of a red first aid kit on a table while her older son holds an emergency plan checklist. Below, a caption reads, 4. Have a first aid kit. The father and younger daughter put the lid on a box labeled medical supplies, and the caption below reads, 5. Make sure you have a supply of medications. The daughter puts the medical supplies box into a larger plastic bin labeled emergency kit, and then smiles as her dad puts the lid on the bin. A whole screen illustration shows a car pull up to a gas station, and money sprout from a wallet. The caption reads, make sure you have gas in your car and cash in your wallet. The employee speaks to camera again. The closing whole screen graphic reads, learn more ways to prepare at safetyactioncenter.pge.com.
To prepare for wildfire season, we are urging every household to have a ready-to-go kit in case of emergency or if PG&E has to turn off power because of extreme weather conditions. 1. Make sure you have enough water for all family members. Start with 1 gallon of water per person per day. You should plan for a minimum of 3 days. 2. Make sure you have non-perishable food that is easy to prepare and that can last a minimum of 3 days. 3. Have a flashlight and a radio that is battery powered, and don't forget to pack the extra batteries. 4. Have a first aid kit that includes enough supplies to manage minor injuries. 5. Make sure you have a supply of medications and medical items that you might need if you have to leave your house. Finally, make sure you have gas in your car and cash in your wallet. By taking these easy steps, you'll be better prepared should an emergency strike. To learn more ways to prepare for an emergency or power outage, download the full checklist at safetyactioncenter.pge.com.